Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yesterday I talked about what improvements Tesla could do, and today from the thumbnail you can see that my Tesla was involved in a rear end collision last year, and I finally got it repaired last week, and today I got the total bill and what they did with the vehicle. I'll just talk about my experience with the repairs, my lessons learned, and basically what I would do if I got a new Tesla today, and my overall thoughts on this experience. Okay? Now, you can see that the total was $15,696. Okay, I have some images of the vehicle that caused the crash. I don't have to pay anything out of pocket because the fault was the driver who rear-ended us. So that's the good thing. Now the bad thing starts when I try to get the vehicle repaired, and I foolishly thought that it was going to be easy to repair until I actually tried to go with a highly rated body repair shop here in the OC. So if I had to do it again, I would just go straight to one of the official Tesla auto body repair shops. I mean, there's a few more popping up right now, and I went with the one in Pomona, which actually was a lot quicker than I expected. So the full story is, after getting the crash, I got some estimates on a few of the body shops. I liked one of them. I actually took my car in there for them to see it, and he said, oh yeah, this is gonna take at most 3 weeks to repair as long as we order the parts. I said, okay, do it. I didn't leave my vehicle there, but it was still drivable. As you can see from the pictures, just the bumper was messed up, and the initial estimate was around 1,500. So I thought it was no big deal. It was order some parts, is gonna take max a few weeks, and then they'll call me in and get it fixed. That's not what happened. So yeah, part of the reason why I stopped doing those vlogs or video updates was because I wasn't comfortable doing those in the car anymore. And so a few weeks passed, and I asked, oh, what's the status of the parts? And every single time I called, they said, oh, they don't have it, they haven't received it. And it was like 2 months, nothing. So I finally went with Pomona, called them, got a new quote and estimated time frame. The thing was, the wait time for the official body shop is 2 months. So I'm out. So this was already, when I first bought it to the first shop, it was already a month passed by already. Then I had to wait another 2 months just to get it into the official shop. So I did that, and once it's there, they say again, we have to order parts. So it sits in the shop for another 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Then they finally get the part and then start working on the car. You see that from the estimate, they actually did a lot of new parts. I won't go over all the details, but they basically replaced the entire bumper. But while they did that, they said they had to replace the back windshield as well, because the liftgate was dented up, so they had to replace the window as well as liftgate. That's why it's $15,000. I mean, that's pretty high for that repair, I think. But it took them an extra. So the total time when I got it to the official auto body repair, May 13th, and then I finally got it after 43 days later. Received it, and yeah, it's brand new again. So lesson learned: if you get into collision, just go with the official Tesla body shop. Another thing is the rental car. If you think you could get a rental, you have to actually schedule it earlier so you can actually get a Tesla. But they just gave me a regular ICE car. It's not bad. It was a Cadillac CTS, and actually pretty good. And I went to the gas station for the first time in a couple of years, and yeah, I really didn't miss that. And just seeing the savings from the Tesla compared to gas. I mean, I was doing minimal driving, just back and forth to work, and yeah, you could definitely see the gas savings, especially during that time. I think a few months ago, gas prices were pretty high. I guess $4 a gallon, and I was filling up every week at least, and it was about $60 to $80. So my electricity bill went lower, but it doesn't even match. Yeah, 4 weeks, that's $240, and electricity bill is like way less than that. Right now I'm paying maybe $100 a month for electricity, and I charge my Tesla there nightly at off-peak hours, so you save a little bit after 10. So yeah, drive the same amount of miles, and basically you save half of that. So that's my experience with the body shop and repair service. Overall, the repair service is pretty good, but again, I think the time and the ordering of parts is just too long. If Tesla takes care of that, they will surely have customers, more loyal customers. I think this was really, you see the negative side of Tesla and what they need to improve on. But let me know if anyone also had this experience. And again, just to recap, if I had to redo it again, go with the official one, order parts immediately, and just don't expect it to be a quick fix. And make sure if you have a new Tesla, you should not crash it, or you're gonna have to deal with this. And the funny thing is, during the crash, the event, my autopilot was on, so I don't know if they captured what happened, but I thought it was very strange that that the vehicle wasn't able to avoid the collision, but I guess from the rear end. So I don't know what if we sped up a little bit, I think the car in the back of us wouldn't have hit us, or just swerve left quickly. It would have avoided the crash, but autopilot was on and it didn't, just didn't happen. Okay, that's just a quick update on my experience. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.